Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Indeed Flex application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So within this application you can search for jobs. So first you have to set if you're in the United States or the UK, and based on that you will be able to find jobs. So it is advised to give your location, because based on your location you will find recommendations. You can save jobs, you can set them to booked, offered and applied. And at the home page you will see like a setup. You can find hints and tips, and you can also browse jobs. And in the profile section you can edit your profile. So you can set some professional summary. You can check your earnings, and you can also provide the work preferences and skills and experiences. So overall it's a very useful application for those who are seeking for a job. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.